Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your speaker JBL Charge 6. In the first one, you can use an adapter and USB-C cable. Connect adapter to the power, and at the back side of the speaker we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port, and right here in the front we can see this LED light, so it means that it's charging. Also, you can charge it from your PC or another device, and you just use USB-A to USB-C. Connect USB-A to your PC and USB-C cable to your speaker. In the front we can see also this LED light, so it's also charging. Also, I tried to charge from my phone and I used USB-C to USB-C cable, but it doesn't work. I can prove it to you, and I just connect it to my phone and to the speaker, and as you can see, nothing. We can wait, but nothing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!